Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channels. Today I'm going to conduct the second period for the chapter called determinants. This is for 11th standards. And the questions which I have taken is find the minors and cofactors of the second row of the determinants. So here what we have got here, we have 1, 2, 3 rows we have here. So here what we have here, number of rows or number of rows is 3 and the number of column is also 3. How we have got here first row, second row and third row. Similarly first column, second column and third column. So here we have got number of rows 3 and number of columns 3. So this is known as we call that determinants of order 3. We call this one determinants of order 3. So in this we have, this is the information, basic information you need to know that here what we have got, number of rows 3 and number of columns 3, determinants of order 3. In last period we have learned determinants of order 2. So here this is the basic information I have provided you. Now we can start this question. So in this question we are going to learn minors and cofactors. Minors and cofactors of which row? We have second row. So second row, this is first row and this is second row. So we'll talk about this second row. We'll find the minors and cofactors of this second row. So at the first, what we'll do here, that is minors. Minors of the first one is indicated like how we indicate A11, A12, A13, then A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is like I have taken one example of determinants of order 3. So this first one is known as A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So what we are going to find out? We are going to find the second row, that is minors and cofactors of second row. So here the second row is this one. So this first one is known as A21. So a minus of A21. So from where we got A21, this is the first one is known as A21. That is, we can write here, that is whose determinants 4, minus 4, right? So when we find determinants, what we do? When we find minus, what we do? So we took this one. Now what we'll do here, the first, this part and this part will hide here. It means this part will be completely hidden and this part will be also completed. So here 2, 3 and 7, 9 will be left. So we'll write here 2, 3, 2, 3, then this minus 7 and minus 9. Minus 7 and, 9, not minus, right? So we'll solve this one. So let's solve it out. So in last period I had taught you to solve this type, that is order, means determinants of order 2. Here we have got order 3. In last video I taught you order 2 1. So what we do here, 2 9s are 18. We'll write this 2 9s are 18. Cross multiply. Then we do minus here. Now 3 7s are 21. So here is minus. So we write a minus 21. Right? So here will be 18. Then minus into minus will become plus. And then this 21. Now when we'll add this, how much we'll get here? 1 plus 8 will get here 9. 2 plus 1 will get here 3. 39. Right? So this is the first minus of A21 we got it. Then we'll find therefore minus of A22. This is A22. That is what we can write, that is 3. Right? Now equals to, now in this case what this will be always, it will be hidden, right? The first one we took, so we hid this one, then here we took. Now here in the second one we'll hide this one. So this completely, this part will be hidden and this part will be hidden. So here 1, 3, 2, 9 you will take it here. 1, then this 3, then you got 2 and 9. 2 and 9. Now we'll solve this one. So 1 9 is a 9 will write here, minus 3 2 is 6. We'll write here 6. Once again 1 9 is a 9, then 3 2 is 6. We do subtracts. Then here will be, how much will get here? 9 minus 6 will get here 3, right? Now the second, the third part, again we have to find, therefore minus of, then we have got A22, A23 will write here. That is A23 is 6, so right here, that is 6, right? So here, now this part will be hidden and this part will be hidden. So what is left here? 1, 2 and 2 minus 7. So write here 1, 2, then you got 2 and minus 7. 2 and minus 7, right? Now we'll solve this one. So 1 into minus 7 will be minus 7. Then minus 2 into 2 will be 4, right? So how much we'll get here? If we'll solve this one, we'll get here minus 11. That is minus minus, sign remains minus and numbers are added. So 7 plus 4 will be 11. So we got this one. So first part we got it, that is we got the minus. This minus one is completed. Now we'll find the cofactors, right? Okay, now we'll find cofactors, right? So therefore cofactors of, so cofactors, that is we'll write here C21, this one we are finding, like as C21 means we are finding cofactors. Here we got minus and here I write here C24. Otherwise we can take here A21 also, no problems. We can take this A21 also, no problem. We can take A21 also, no problem. Okay. So here we can write here. So what is the rule here? The rule will be like this. I wrote here 21. So we write minus 1. With power we'll take this one. 2 plus 1. We'll take 2 plus 1. Into, we got the minus 21. So we got here minus whose 21 elements. Now here if we'll solve this one, how much we'll get this? How much we'll get this one? So minus 1 with the power, how much we'll have here? 2 plus 1 will be 3. So into M21, how much we have got here? Minus of elements, that is 21 elements. We have got here how much? 39. So we write here 39 equals to A to minus 1 cube. So we'll have here minus 1 into 39 will be equals to minus 39. This is the first cofactors of we got. Now therefore cofactors of A22, or we can take here C22 also, no problem. We can take here C22 also. Now here equals to minus 1 will be as it is. Now here we got 22. So we'll write this one 2 plus 2 into, then we have got M22 will take here minus 22 equals to, so it will be minus 1. Now here 2 plus 2 will get here 4 into, then you have got M22. How much we have got here? That is M minus of elements 22. That is how much we have got here? 3. So right here 3 equals to, now here minus 1 we have 4 times. So it will become positive 1 into 3. So it will be 3. Then we have got the last one, that is therefore cofactors of A23. Here we can take C23 also, no problem with that. Then same thing, minus 1. What we have here? 23. So right here 2 plus 3 into M23 equals to, here we have got minus 1. Then 2 plus 3 will become here 5 into, then M23. How much we have got here? That is minus of 23rd elements. We have got a minus 11. So right here minus 11, right? Then we have got another things. Here you have minus 1 with power raised to power 5. So it will become here minus 1 into, then you have minus 11. I write a minus 11 as it is, right? Now minus into minus will become plus. 11 ones are 11. So it will be 11. So this is the way we can find minus and cofactors. I hope everyone is able to understand. If there will be any doubts in understanding these solutions, these things, you can ask me in my YouTube channel's comment box. Thank you all.